Today, I'm going to show you how to start coding with Wix. If you're looking to add custom functionality to your Wix site beyond the standard drag and drop features, turning on Dev mode unlocks a whole new level of control and customization. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with various options related to your site management. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings you have. This step is important because you want to make sure that this is the website you wish to start coding on. If you manage multiple sites, double-checking now saves you from making changes to the wrong project later. Once you've confirmed you're working on the correct site, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you normally design and manage your site visually. But now, the process is pretty much straightforward to unlock coding capabilities. Simply locate Dev mode on the top left settings menu and click on it. A prompt will appear, and from there, click on Turn on Dev mode. This is the gateway to Velo by Wix, the platform's development environment. Now you'll enter the Velo Dev mode on your Wix editor. The interface will transform to accommodate developers. You'll see a code editor at the bottom of your screen, an API reference on the bottom right, and the page code panel on your left side. The toolbar will also be adjusted to include developer tools, giving you access to functions like managing databases, setting up dynamic pages, and working with APIs. From here, you can start coding on your Wix website editor, adding custom interactions, connecting to external data sources, or building advanced features that go beyond standard templates. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Dev mode and are now ready to start coding your Wix website with full developer access. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.